Let's be honest, your business isn't growing the way you imagine it would. You're putting in the hours, you believe in what you're selling, but the revenue curve keeps flattering out. The frustrating part, everyone around you talks about growth like it's magic, but nobody explains why some businesses explode while others stay stuck. Today, I'm giving you the uncomfortable truth. First problem, most entrepreneurs confuse busyness with business building. You're working constantly, answering emails, tweaking things, handling operations. But you're not actually building systems or reaching new customers. You're running in circles, and your business stays exactly where it is because you haven't changed anything fundamental about how it operates. Second issue, your marketing is invisible to the people who need you most. You might have social media posts or a website, but they're basically shouting into a void. Your ideal customers don't know you exist because you're not reaching them where they actually spend their attention. You need a real marketing strategy, not just content that feels good to post. Here's the third truth. Your pricing is probably too low. Not because you don't deserve more money, but because you haven't positioned your value correctly. You're competing on price instead of impact. When you undercharge, you attract price-conscious customers who don't stick around, and you never build the profit margins you need to actually invest in growth. Fifth blind spot, you're not tracking the right numbers. You know your total revenue maybe, but you don't understand your customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, or profit per product. You're flying blind. Data isn't complicated. It's just the story your business is telling you about what's actually working. If you ignore that story, you can't fix what's broken. So here's your action right now. Pick one of these 5 problems that resonates most with your business. Just one. Then commit to fixing it in the next 30 days. Growth doesn't happen from trying to fix everything at once. It happens from making one fundamental shift, then building from there. Your business isn't stuck because you're not good enough. It's stuck because something foundational needs to change, and you have the power to change it.